In the heart of the Arabian Peninsula lies a nation of boundless ambition, where ancient traditions meet the modern pulse of innovation. Welcome to Saudi Arabia, the host of the FIFA World Cup 2034, a celebration of football, culture, and unity on an unprecedented scale. Guided by Vision 2030, Saudi Arabia embarked on a journey to transform itself into a global hub of culture, innovation, and sport. This national blueprint, spearheaded by His Royal Highness Prince Mohammed bin Salman, is more than a plan. It's a legacy. For decades, football has been the beating heart of our nation, uniting communities and inspiring generations. From 6 World Cup qualifications to unforgettable triumphs like defeating Argentina in 2022, Saudi Arabia's football journey is a story of determination and pride. Saudi Arabia is ready. From state-of-the-art stadiums in 5 host cities to vibrant FIFA fan festivals trademarks, every detail has been crafted for a seamless and unforgettable experience. Fans will traverse a country where every destination tells a story, from UNESCO heritage sites to modern marvels. Our slogan, Growing Together, reflects our mission to elevate football for all. With over 200,000 players in school leagues, groundbreaking progress in women's football, and investments in elite training facilities, Saudi Arabia is nurturing the next generation of global stars. This World Cup is more than a tournament. It's a commitment to sustainability, human rights, and community growth. With every goal scored, we plant the seeds for a brighter, more inclusive future for Saudi Arabia and the world. Experience the first-ever 48-team FIFA World Cup hosted in a single country. From the mountains to the seas, from tradition to innovation, Saudi Arabia invites you to witness history, embrace culture, and celebrate the beautiful game like never before. Join us in 2034 as we redefine what it means to grow together.